अभी चल रहा था बात कंप्यूटर के हवाले से। कुछ नोट्स बाकी हैं, क्वेश्चन और आंसर, तो उनको हम देख लेते हैं। सबसे पहले कंप्यूटर क्लास 6 का पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन डेटा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन? Data is called the collection of raw facts and figures, and this data, when processed into a meaningful result, is called information. What is difference? What is difference between expansion slot and expansion cord? The expansion slots are used to insert expansion cards, and expansion cards are used to expand working of the system. Question number 3, computer class 6. What are input devices and what are output devices? Answer: the devices which are used to input data into the computer are called input devices, and the devices that are used to get some output are called output devices. Define the brain of the computer and name of its components. इसका आंसर है क्वेश्चन क्लास 6 computer. CPU is the brain of the computer, which consists of processor, LU and ALU. All these are components of the system. उसके बाद अगला क्वेश्चन है, what is the main function? What is the main function of logical unit? The function of arithmetic and logical unit is to solve the arithmetic problems and the logical functions between them. Write 5 advantages of using computer. अगला क्वेश्चन कंप्यूटर क्लास 6. Answer: by use of computer we can, number 1, improve work speed, number 2, learn quickly, number 3, work accurately, number 4, work more on little space, and number 5, work effectively. What is hardware? Write the names of 5 hardware devices. Hardware is the physical part of computer. Motherboard, hard disk, floppy disk, slots and cards are hardware of the computer. Write the function of following key on keyboard: tab to give space, number 2, escape to stop the function, enter to get the next step, shift to change basic function, and number 5, cap lock to write all in capital. What does a processor do? Question computer class 6. Processor takes input from input devices, process it into required information and give output to the user. Next question, computer class 6. What is memory? Is it a temporary storage devices? इसका आंसर: memory is a place where a computer saves information. It may be temporary as RAM and permanent as in hard disk. Write short note on hard disk. Computer class 6. Next question. Answer: hard disk is a permanent storage device of a computer. It is also called a hard disk drive or hard drive. It is used to store data permanently. It is fixed inside the system unit. It is a reliable and durable device. Write advantages of USB flash memory. It is storage device. It is also called data traveler. We can put it in pocket and plug in USB port. It is a reliable and durable device. Explain different types of monitor. There are different types of monitors. Some of them are CRT monitor, LCD monitor and plasma monitor. What is modem? Next question, class 6 computer. A modem is a device which is used to connect and communicate with other computers on the internet. Its send and receive data, internal and external modem are its two types. Explain the output unit of computer. Output unit of computer. Output unit of computer is concerned with the output of computer. It connects the output devices of the computer and give output. अभी तलबा बात ये 6 क्लास के कंप्यूटर के क्वेश्चन थे. अब हम 7 क्लास के देख लेते हैं. 7 class computer, what is AU and LU? The AU stands for an arithmetic unit which performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and LU stands for logical unit which compares two quantities and gives answer in the form of true false. What is RAM or ROM? RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read-only memory. These are two types of memory which are based on the type of access of the computer to the data. What is difference between data and information? Data is called the collection of raw facts and figures, and this data when processed into meaningful result is called information. What is difference between expansion slot and expansion card? Expansion slot and expansion card are used to expand the working of system. What are input devices and what are output devices? The devices which are used to input data into the computer are called input devices, and the devices which are used to get some output are called output devices. Define the brain of the computer and name its components. CPU is the brain of the computer, which consists of processor, LU and ALU. All these are components of the system. What is the main function of arithmetic unit? The main function of arithmetic unit and logical unit is to solve arithmetic problems and the logical function between them. What is an operating system? Operating system is a software which states, runs and keeps on running the computer. It has basic instructions to the computer. List the name of any five application software: MS Office, Adobe Photoshop, MS PowerPoint, InPage, Mozilla Firefox. What are the utility programs? Utility program is a software that allows a user to analyze, configure, and maintain the computer. It performs a specific task of management of computer. Write down basic operation of the operating system. Operating system is the soul of the computer. It is collection of programs which control all the functions of the computer. Can a device work without device driver? The device cannot work without a device driver. The device driver is a set of instructions for specific device. Write down the names of the window image viewer and its working. Image viewer is a utility program that provides environment to view the image. Windows picture and fax viewer is its names. How can a user delete unnecessary files from the computer? User can delete unnecessary files from the computer by deleting or pressing Shift and Delete button simultaneously. List and see productivity software. Productivity software help user to work more effectively and efficiently to solve their problems. Word processing software, spreadsheet software और प्रोडक्टिविटी सॉफ्टवेयर. तो ये 7 क्लास के कुछ क्वेश्चन थे. इसके बाद हम 8 क्लास के क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. क्लास 8 का कंप्यूटर देख लेते हैं. इसके कुछ नोट्स हैं. क्वेश्चन आंसर. Differentiate between virus and worms. Virus is a program written to damage a program, erase data, or an erratic system behavior. Worm is a malicious file that replicates and spread without user action and harm computer. Next question, computer class 8, how virus and worms spread. So email attachment. Answer is when the user open an email or download the attachment, it spreads and starts to damage the computer system. Who is hacker? What can hacker do? Hacker is a person who hacks the computer for some malicious purpose. He can steal all your information and harm the computer. Next question, computer class 8, how adware affects the working of the computer. Answer, adware is a software automatically displays or download advertisements to the computer without use. It slows down the computer. Name different types of virus. Computer class 8. Next question. Name of some viruses are NYB, NTXZ, Cascade, Farado, Win95, and Zemist A, etc. What is antivirus? Antivirus is a program that detects, prevents, and takes action to deactivate or remove malicious programs or virus. Explain different threats on the security of the computer. The attacks of virus, worms, hacking and stealing of the data to the security of computer are threats. To the security of the computer, adware is also a great threat to the computer security. Explain through which the security threat spread in computer virus, worms and adware spreads in the computer by a way of email and use of USB in computer, while hackers can approach to the computer through internet and applications. Give the steps to update the virus definition. And the antivirus can be updated through upgrade menu. It takes a system to the internet and updates it occasionally as the update is available. What is meant by scanning computer and what are the steps to scan the computer? The steps of scanning computer are click, number 1 start, number 2 programs, number 3 antivirus name, and scan computer, number 4. What is meant by the virus definition? Why they are important? Explain computer class 8. Virus definition contains the information about malware which can be used for threat or update. Click the update manager and update. If the virus definition is not updated, the antivirus cannot recognize and neutralize the virus. तो ये कुछ क्वेश्चन क्लास 8 के थे. उम्मीद है कि इनसे आपको इनको पढ़ने में रीड आउट करने